We got a little bit of a hailstorm. You guys come here. The water coming around both sides. Look at our front sidewalk, you guys. What do you guys think? Is that cool?
Yeah. Can I see a picture of it?
It's a picture of Deja. Deja, look, it's Tegan. Oh, let go. Let go, Deja. Let's go to the back.
Daddy.
Let's wash away your swimming pools. That deep that swimming pool is. What, Deja? It's flooding Elaine's house. What? Running clear across her yard, as well as ours. Been going like this for about 15 minutes now. What's he? The rain's quit, pretty much. Though he's still been flooding like this for 15-20 minutes. Yeah, it's starting to slow down on the flooding. My neighbor just hauled in gravel a few days ago. Looks like it's piling up on the yard pretty deep. Cutting in up there and it's filled up along his fence. The bottom of the swing. Bottom of the slide's full of water. We go open the gate, it's damming up. Almost the grip on that. What, Dave? So there's our house. About 3 foot deep.
They were just out looking at the situation or what they had to do.
There's no water. Guys!
What dish? Let me see.
There's no water. See, there's no water. See?
There's no more water.
No?
Pile of gravel.
Hey!
Dish, that's muddy.